We've got a fun supper tonight. You've heard of Marry Me Chicken, maybe even Marry Me Chicken Soup, which was the original plan, but it's changing to Marry Me. I dropped the sausage. Unstuffed Italian sausage and shells pasta bake. Mixing in a little bit of the Marry Me Chicken recipe with it. It's a Marry Me Italian sausage, unstuffed shells, pasta bake. It's gonna be good. Got the water started for the shells. The Marry Me Chicken Soup that I was gonna make used shells and sun-dried tomatoes. So we're gonna add that stuff into this Italian sausage, unstuffed shells pasta. So we're mixing the two together. They're gonna marry together. I didn't wanna make soup again because we just had soup last night. We made the chicken Alfredo soup. It would have also been two chicken soup things back to back. So yeah, we're gonna go with the Italian sausage and just combine these two recipes together. I think it'll be great. It'll be great. So we're gonna cook the Italian sausage in this pan and the shells over there. It's gonna be a creamy one too, because with the Italian sausage bake, you mix cream cheese with the Italian sausage when it gets done. We're gonna use this Classico pasta sauce that we got from Costco. Another trip to Costco is coming soon, y'all. I'm putting a little bit of salt in the water over here for the shells. We're pouring in the shells. Okay, let me grab another spoon. I also have some habanero jack cheese that I think I'm gonna add in here too. Hey Dad.
Hello.
I'm making something fun. I see you've been to Clipper.
I had to get the fuel.
I think I'm gonna put a little spinach in there too, because I think I normally put spinach in our stuffed shells, so I'm gonna put a little spinach in here. It's good for the body, so it makes you like Popeye. $5 to you if you can tell me what Popeye's girlfriend's name is.
Wilma? No, that's Fred Flintstone. I don't know.
You don't know?
Sally?
No. Olive.
Olive?
Yeah.
Olive oil? Is it olive oil going on?
Olive oil, but instead of O-I-L, it's spelled O-Y-L. Olive oil.
A dish.
Oh, you got a dish? Okay, thank you. You're gonna need half a block of cream cheese. Add that in there with the Italian sausage. And half a cup of sour cream. And you're gonna let that melt down and melt all together. And we're gonna put in some of the sun-dried tomatoes. About half a cup. We're gonna put some Parmesan cheese in here. Also about half a cup. And the spinach, we're just gonna chop it up a little bit and add it in. And I'm gonna go ahead and put in some of this habanero jack cheese and let it start melting down too. Okay, the shells I think are done. I'm gonna check them real quick. Okay, we're gonna drain the shells over here. Okay, here's what we're gonna do, y'all. I think we'll layer this deal.
Layer this deal, everybody.
Yes. We're spraying the pan. We're gonna put down some shells.
Y'all, I've discovered that if you mix blueberries with a banana,
It's good.
that is really, really good.
Is this your third smoothie of the day?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna put our sausage mixture on here, and I am gonna just kind of tilt it a little bit to drain it a little.
This looks really nice, though. I will say the colors of this is coming together real nice.
Yeah, it makes you want to marry me, don't it?
Yeah, well, I already did that, and I'll do it again. This is looking delicious.
Should we put more shells on top and then the sauce? Or just drizzle some sauce over now?
I've drizzled some sauce over that, baby.
So we're gonna put the sauce on, and I'm gonna sprinkle it with some Parmesan cheese, and it's gonna go in the oven just for about 10 to 15 minutes, y'all. We're just warming up this sauce now. You could also do shredded mozzarella if you wanted to. I'm just gonna do it like this.
There's nothing like spinach. I love spinach.
Is it good?
That's doggone good. I'm trying to think what it would make you feel like. Really good.
Almost like an Italian sausage pizza bake. Yeah. That's great.
That's super good, y'all. That's what you might call yummy.
Somehow I finished supper really early today. Like, we've already cleaned the kitchen and everything, and it's just a little bit after 5. I like getting done early though, especially when it's, you know, fall and winter time, because it gets dark early. That Marry Me Italian sausage, that thing that we made, it was really good, y'all. It tasted like a...
It tastes like a pizza.
Yeah, like, you know, those pizzas that you get, not from just like Pizza Hut and stuff, but when you go to an actual, well, I mean, Pizza Hut is an actual pizza place, but you know. A fancier pizza place than Pizza Hut and stuff like that. And you know how they'll slice their Italian sausage into circles and put on there at some of those places?
Yeah, that's good.
That's the type, that's kind of what it tasted like, that kind of pizza. I think we're gonna go walk, probably our favorite trail. I see you don't have any spiders today, just some leaves. You need a refill on your coffee, Martha. Got some leaves in there. There you go. Martha loves coffee, keeps her going. Manly runs up and he throws. It's a grounder. Get it, Sissy. Woohoo! Go, Manny, go! Oh, good catch. Alright, y'all, it is now 8:42. We're gonna go ahead and get breakfast put together for in the morning. We're making pumpkin snickerdoodle baked oatmeal. So we're gonna mix everything up in this bowl, and then we'll go ahead and put it in the casserole dish that we're gonna bake it in the morning, which will be this one. We'll cover it with plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator. And then in the morning, while the oven's preheating, we'll just take it out and let it warm up a little bit at room temperature. We start with 2.5 cups of old-fashioned oats. And I'm going to try to put everything up as I make this, that way I don't have a mess at the end. Now I just have this big can of pumpkin right now. Well, I have 2 of these big cans of pumpkin, so I'm going to get what I need out of here, and then we'll put it in something else and put it in the refrigerator. We need 3/4 of a cup. Let's see if I can scoop it out like that. Spread it in there. 1 egg. Go ahead and break that egg up a little bit there. Alright, we need 3/4 of a cup of milk. A 1/4 cup of honey. That's about all that's left in this little honey bear here, so we'll get all that out of there. 2.5 tablespoons of melted butter. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now in the morning we'll put some cinnamon sugar on top, but we'll wait and do that part in the morning. A teaspoon of maple syrup. We need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of cinnamon. And 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Alright, we mix all this together. I'm going to spray the casserole dish. I've told y'all this before, but in case you haven't seen those other videos, it's kind of a drier oatmeal. It's not, it's moist, but it's not super moist. So what's really good to do with baked oatmeal is pour a little bit of heavy cream or milk over the top of it. how he says Snickerdoodle. He
Snickerdoodle.
says sneaker.
Well, really good. I like the cream on it. Mm-hmm. Really good.